Hey, what's up guys? It's Ari with Fisher Motor Group. Hey, I had a killer weekend. I sold 2 cars, I bought a car, and I took 2 cars in on trade. So what happened was this Friday I was at the auction. I bought a Mercedes GL450. I think it was a 2009. Beautiful car, 1 owner, white with beige interior, fully loaded. Sold it on Saturday to a gentleman who I had previously sold an Escalade to, and actually took back the deal because some issues that we had on that end. But I didn't want to screw anybody, so what I did is I worked with him, he worked with me. I took back the Escalade, told him I'd find him, a vehicle that was equally comparable if not nicer. Well, come Friday I found it in the GL450. I bought that, I sold it to the guy on Saturday. He was super pumped, so that made me feel good. What else happened? So then he had a really nice Cadillac SRX 4-wheel drive, a 2012 with 74,000 miles, I want to say. So I took that in on trade, which is a beautiful car in and of itself. And then on Sunday, I sold that 2013 Range Rover with 84,000 miles. I sold that, and they traded in a 2014 Mercedes E350 coupe. Now that car is really nice because get this, it has 10,000 miles on it. 10,000 miles, and it's a 2014. Practically brand new. So again, I have a lot of paperwork I got to get caught up on. I do have to go down to the DMV, do some title work. I have to clean the Cadillac SRX. I have to clean the Mercedes-Benz E350, post them online. So, with that said, I just wanted to kind of catch you guys up because I haven't really posted any videos in the past few days. I got to stay on top of that. Anyways, guys, let me get off to cleaning this Mercedes, and I'll just keep you updated throughout the days as it goes on. Oh yeah, look what I added. Got my FMG thing. I want to put it over there somewhere. I just got to get a ladder first. Look at this Mercedes. This thing is sick. It's got the AMG wheels, the sport package. It's got that full panoramic moonroof, which is really cool. It's super nice, especially when you're inside it. Take a look. So yeah, I mean, it's a gorgeous car. I just got to clean it up a little bit. It's already pretty clean, but you know me, I like to take my brush, get it all dusted out, vacuum up everything. Anyways, let me get on that and I'll show you guys the Cadillac. Stuff's called VLR. It's really good. It smells great, but it's really good for leather, vinyl, and rubber. Obviously VLR. It smells nice. It doesn't leave anything oily and greasy. Problem with that is that it actually collects more. Damn it, it's so f***ing hard to do this. This stuff is really good. The problem with cars after they get super detailed, they're kind of like greasy and they leave that oily residue, is it actually collects dust and the dust sticks to it and it makes it look worse in like a matter of a couple weeks. So I like this. It's just a nice dry residue. There is no residue, it's just dry. And it really does a good job of pulling that dirt out. But man, videoing while you're trying to detail, give me a thumbs up. It's a lot of work. All right, it's all done, finally. Whew. It's definitely getting hot out here, and it's only April in Florida. But let's go get some pictures of it and get it posted online. And that's what I go through to get pictures of these cars all the time. Okay, so now what? Now I gotta clean that Cadillac. What is it, a SRX? Yeah, Cadillac SRX. So, on to the next one. Alright, so this one's not terrible either, but it definitely needs a good vacuum. It's super dusty. It's not really dirty, it's just really dusty. Yeah, and he had a kid, so of course there's gonna be some crumbs all over the place. Really, all in all though, I mean, this is a really nice car. 2012, like I said, 74,000 miles on it, I believe. And it's got the big panoramic sunroof, which is always nice. I tell you what though, man, it is hot. In that sun, in this car especially, it's brutal. This is nice, because it has this little stow brace, little WeatherTech mat, thank God, because that would have been bad. But yeah, I mean, he moved some mulch recently, so just gonna need I'm not gonna go crazy on this thing, but I definitely gotta get it cleaned up. So I'm gonna start that right now. Yeah, I just gotta get moving, so I'm not gonna get this. I'll show you the after, how about that? It's too much work starting and stopping the camera, to be honest, right now. I gotta catch up quite a bit, so I'll show you the after. So this is what I'm talking about when I'm saying, like, when people grease up your cars and your dashes and all that stuff after you get it detailed. Like, that is terrible. It just collects so much fuzz and dust and residue, and it makes everything like a lint trap. Alright, just got done cleaning the SRX. As you can see, it's a heck of a lot cleaner. Wiping off all the armor all. It's still on there pretty good, but not nearly as thick as it was. This is a nice truck. It's got the backup camera, navigation. Check that out. That's pretty cool. I do like that. Yeah, way better. Way better. It's a good looking vehicle, no doubt about it. Alright, so I'm feeling pretty beat at this point, but I'm going to go ahead and take some pictures of that SRX. You know, it was a long day, tiresome day, just a lot of work. Detailing two cars in a day is definitely not the easiest thing to do, especially the detail levels that I go do. You know, I still got to do some paperwork. I'll just finish that up on my own. So obviously my current inventory, you can see I still have this R32. I'm waiting on the guy to come get this SL500 right here. Let's see what else. I got the old behemoth, the S500. That's a sick car though. I love that. I'll be doing I'll be doing a video shortly on this S500 because that's a really fun car. I got a full house, and I got the auction coming up this Friday. I'm gonna try to get some more cars this Friday. I got an M37 over there. There's my CLK350, so I was able to get that new engine put in that. Yeah, so otherwise, I mean, I've been pretty busy the last several days, just getting everything up and going, getting cars back from the shop, dropping a couple cars off at the shop, doing some deals, cleaning some cars twice over, cleaning the cars I've sold, and cleaning the cars I've taken in on trade. So it's just been a lot of work, but I'm glad it's over. I'm gonna go home after I do this, post these vehicles online, and then I'm gonna chill. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See ya.